Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I have for you a Maniology haul as well as tutorial. This is their limited edition Deja Boo nail stamping bundle. So I am a Maniology ambassador, so they do send me over products periodically. They were so kind enough to ask me if I wanted to show you guys the Deja Boo bundle, which is limited edition. And then they always send over these cute little stickers with their package. I don't know what I'm going to do with these stickers, but they're adorable. I love them. So the bundle comes in a mesh bag. Look, it has the box number on it. It says Maniology on it. So we do have a stamping polish, a stamping plate, and a stamper and scraper set. Which I believe this one is the one I already have, but let me open it up. Okay, so it's not the one I have. I did do an unboxing of their Halloween 13-day countdown box of magic, and that came with a Halloween stamper, but that one was circular. So this one is specific to this bundle. So if you got Box of Magic, this is a different stamper and scraper. But it is so cute. It's got, let's see, let me bring a paper towel maybe. There we go. The Maniology. It's got this cute little witch, some bats on it. And so it is their ice cube stamper. And then the scraper is the same image as well in this beautiful Halloween purple. Here is the stamping polish, which is Batty. So it's kind of like a metallic charcoal gray. And then here's the stamping plate, which is $3.92. And so this plate is called Deja Boo. So it's got some cute Halloween images on it. We got a ghost with some ooze on it. We got some flaming skulls, some cats, some bats, I think those are eyeballs. There's that little witch again. If you like that image, it is on here. And then off to the side, we do have some different little sayings. We got a pumpkin, some more little bats, some cats, ghost. Super cute Halloween stamping plate. So again, this bundle is limited edition. It's on their site right now for $24. And then I do have a discount code that you can use on top of that for the bundle. I'll put it up on the screen as well as in the description box down below. It'll save you 10% off of any of your Maniology orders. So again, limited edition, get this while you can. The plate, the stamping polish, and the stamper and scraper, all limited edition. I believe they're only available in this bundle. So since I did get this bundle in, I wanted to go ahead and do a tutorial for you guys, show you what you can use, show you what you can come up with using this plate and the stamping polish. And of course, we're going to use a super cute stamper to do it all with. So let's get into the tutorial. So to start off this tutorial, we're going to be taking Madam Glam's Lavender Springs, which is a pretty lavender shade. I'm going to go ahead and paint this on my pinky, my middle, and my pointer finger. Then we're going to go in with Madam Glam's Pivot, and we're going to paint this on the ring finger as well as the thumb. go ahead and do a second coat of both of these colors. And in case you're interested in this mat behind me, this is one of the Maniology Lotus mats. They are really easy cleanup. They're great for stamping. It's like a silicone type of a mat. You can just take some acetone and wipe up your designs if you get any polish or anything on it. This one in particular is their Halloween release, and it's only in the box of Magic. I just checked the website. They have their regular Lotus mats, but it doesn't look like they're selling this Halloween one separate. So if you want this mat, go get the box of Magic. Okay, moving on to some design. On my ring finger and my thumb that I did the nude background, I'm going to go ahead and take that Lavender Springs, put it on my palette, and with a brush, I'm going to draw on a French tip with the purple. Once I cure the French tip purple, I go ahead and I take that stamping polish that we got in the kit, Batty. That's that beautiful metallic charcoal gray. And we're going to use this with our brush as well. And we're going to create a bat French tip. So you're just going to outline the French tip, and then you're going to underneath make the wings. Kind of curve them out, and then you'll add the little head and the ears, and you have this super cool bat French tip nail. Now we're going to take our stamping plate, and since this is brand new, you do want to make sure you remove that blue plastic on top. That's just to protect it during shipping and stuff like that, but you have to remove it before you actually stamp, and I feel like that is always so satisfying to take off. So I'm going to take the stamping plate. I go ahead and cleanse my nails I'm going to stamp on. So I'm going to do stamping on all of the purple nails. So I go ahead and cleanse them all. And then taking Batty again, I'm going to pick up the larger scattered bat image. So I'm going to do Batty, scrape it down, pick it up with the stamper, and then with my scraper, I do just take off the excess that got transferred. And I'm going to take the white stamping polish from Maniology. This is called Bam White. And I'm going to take the white and I'm going to fill in the bats. So this is called reverse stamping. So you pick up the outline of the image and then you basically color it in with whatever colors you want. So I'm just coloring in the bats with the white, and then I do let it dry a little bit on the stamper. And then you go in and you stamp it onto the nail. Now when you do this, because the polish has sat a little bit, you do want to hold it on the nail a little bit longer than you would normally do, so that way it fully transfers. So once it's transferred, then you have the white bats and then the black image already all together. So I stamped that down on my middle finger, and then we're going to go back in, and with the singular bat image, we're going to pick that up again, do the same reverse stamping method, fill the bat in with the white, let it sit a little bit, and then stamp it down on my pinky finger. Then we're going to take the little saying bat to the bone, stamp it again in the shade Batty. And since this one is just the saying, we're just going to stamp it like normal. We're not going to fill in any of the colors or anything. So that is it for the design. I go ahead and clean up my stamping plate. And then I take a brush dipped in acetone and I clean up my cuticle line where I got a little bit of excess polish along my middle finger. And you just take the acetone and clean it right up. Then we're going to go ahead and top coat. I'll be using the Madam Glam No Wipe top coat for this design. And here is how the design came out. I love this. I think it came out super cute. I've been wanting to do the bat French tip. I've been seeing that all over TikTok and Instagram, so I had to jump on and try it for myself. And of course, it fit perfectly because I decided I wanted to do the bat theme with the stamping. So it all just flows together with all the colors, the purple and then the metallic gray. It came out really nice, and this is just one of the many designs you can create with the Deja Boo bundle. There's all kinds of designs you can do, so definitely go check out Maniology, check out the other ambassadors, and see what other designs they came out with. And remember, this kit is a limited edition, so pick it up while you can. Use my discount code for a little extra off. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure to subscribe for more coming up very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.